The Philippines and China have traded blame over collisions of their ships in the disputed South China Sea. Manila said Monday it'll launch an investigation into the incidents. A video released by the Philippine military shows the bow of a Chinese Coast Guard vessel hit the rear of a Philippine supply boat near Second Thomas Shoal in the Spratly Islands on Sunday. Manila also says a Chinese maritime militia vessel bumped into a Philippine Coast Guard patrol ship escorting the supply boat. The Philippines defense minister stressed the collisions took place in his country's exclusive economic zone. He claimed Beijing is deliberately obfuscating the truth about the incidents. Beijing says the Philippine vessels ignored the warnings and caused the collisions by navigating recklessly. It says the Philippine side is wholly to blame.